Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Ansys Spaceclaim tutorial how to draw on a cube surface. So you can create new design and I will use circle tools to create circle, use pull tools to convert into 3D. So if you want to draw in this cube, there are two options. First you can use this tool, face cube. I will click at these points. So you can draw in the surface of these objects. After it, you can click these icons to apply. Now you can use pull tools to extrude the face like this. And the second option, we can use the wrap tools. First, you need to create for new plane. Click this icon, and I will select at this face. Use move tools to move the plane objects into blue axis. The next, create sketch mode, and then I will click plan view. Now you can draw like I will draw with line tools. I will draw in here a simple sketch, and click and sketch editing. Now you can use the wrap tools. You can go to prepare and then click these wrap tools. For body, you can select these objects, and then you can select the cube objects. So it will be automatically draw in the cube. Now you can click OK to apply. You also can hide for plane in here. Okay, that's it for basic Ansys Spaceclaim tutorial, how to draw on a cube surface. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.